guys, Angie always here. So I told you I would be back with part 2 to the Slayed Always series. I did team up with Follow That Girl with the Curls to make a collaboration video of me putting her wig on and just giving her a little bit of information and some tips on how to, you know, lay her wig on her own at home or whatever. This is that video. So I'm gonna just show you how I put it on her. We decided to glue it down even though it is a closure, so you can definitely glue down your closures. Of course, you guys know this. If you're lazy like me, you just pop it on and go. That's kind of what Thalia wanted to do, but I did show her other methods just in case she did want to switch it up one day. So coming up, you're gonna see me putting the wig on her. You're going to see me straightening the hair because it was blow dry but not straightened, just a little bit of that, and then I'm going to be styling it. So, but I did show Thalia that with the closure that I made for her and bleaching the knots and everything, she is able to part her hair anywhere, you know, with a rat tail comb or whatever, anywhere on the closure, or lazy girl and just slide it over in whatever direction. So I did show her how to do all of those things. This is just a quick tutorial on me putting this wig on her. I hope you guys really enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching.
My name is Thalia, also known as Follow That Girl with the Curls on YouTube and Instagram, and I'm here to get slayed.
Hey guys, it's Angie always, and we are doing a collab video. You already know I told you in my earlier video that I was making a wig for Follow That Girl with the Curls, and I'm just here showing her how to get it together, how to lay her edges, how to slay, always. All right, so stay tuned. So here I am just putting the wig on Thalia, just getting it in the right placement. I start to pull it back just because I want her to have some forehead. Make sure that it is a little bit in front of your hairline, but you know, doesn't mess up the shape or the amount of forehead that you have out. I do pluck it a little bit more as well while it's on her head. I don't pluck a lot just because closures and frontals shed a little bit when you wash them, when you style them, and that is how you get bald spots, unnecessary ones. So I pluck a little bit, enough to give it a natural look, but not so much that when it does start to shed, I look like I'm balding. So Thalia, we definitely catch you smelling the hair here. You definitely did say it smells good, so thank you. My conditioner is like some chippy choppy one from the beauty supply. We did decide to glue it down like I stated earlier. So here I am just using the Got To Be Glued spray. I don't use the glue anymore just because it makes it a little bit too tacky for me. So I use the spray on its own. So as we let that dry, I'm gonna just be putting the baby hairs into place and doing any other extra things I need to do. I would usually wrap it here, but I'm gonna wait until I start styling her hair to put a scarf on, but I'm letting it like air dry. I don't use a blow dryer or anything like that. I usually fan myself with something, but I did let it air dry just because I don't like when it gets too stuck to my head, or when it makes the hairs get stuck to my head, or it makes the hairs look like really hard and stiff. So I usually do the Got To Be Glue by itself, leave the hairs kind of off, and then style it. So here is what it's looking like so far. Do you see how that lays, guys? I love it. So here I am flat ironing the hair just to get some of the curls or puffiness out. We do end up deciding to add some curl to the hair and give Thalia a side part. So let's see how it's starting to come together and look. So I'm doing a little bit of extra styling to the baby hairs and plucking to the part that we made, the side part, just so that it can have a little bit more of a natural look. I started off saying, oh, I'm only going to do like one or two, and then ended up going at the line. I'm also hot combing the top just so it can lay super duper flat and look as seamless as possible. I always like to hot comb the front where the baby hairs lay and where the part is, just to make it look like it is coming out of my scalp and or forehead. I'm not playing with y'all with this frontal, okay? Well, disclosure. My frontal's either, but you know what I mean. Okay, but can we also look at this color? Remember, this was with the watercolor method. I ended up having to go a little bit darker, but it ended up being exactly what Aaliyah wanted, and it just goes so perfectly with her complexion and her eye color. I just love it. I did leave the bottom and middle of the hair a little bit honeyed, just so that she can have some dimension to it. When you do the curls, you can see a little bit more of that dimension and those lowlights and highlights, and it just looks so pretty. And as I am putting the final touches on this wig, I am just so excited as how good it is looking. I am making sure to brush down any flyaways, finishing up the curls, and just anything else that Leah wanted me to do to make her feel, you know, like her best self, like she slayed always. I really love how it looks. Leah was super duper satisfied with the wig. I said super duper like 4 times. Yikes. All right, like, just look at this, guys. Look at it. Do you love it? I do. Guys, so how amazing was that wig? Beautiful. The color looks amazing. It brings out the color in Thalia's eyes. She loved it. I loved it. Hopefully I can do more videos with her in the future, and I believe we're going to BeautyCon together. We just found out that she lives extremely close to me. It's crazy. As you can see, we were talking the whole time. We ended up going on live while I was doing this on her Instagram page, which is Follow That Girl with the Curls, and we just had a blast. A lot of people were interacting. Her mom was on there. We were just having so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We definitely enjoyed making it for you guys, and that's it. That's all I got. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know any other things you guys would like to see on my channel. I am definitely open for suggestions, and yeah, thank you so much for coming. Love you guys. Bye. Lila, hi YouTube. Hi. Mira, mami. La luz a lo mejor. Mira, mamá.